Second half of our lesson in 5.6 is about area, and I want to just show you there are some area formulas on your identity sheet. We've got all the area formulas right here. I'm going to start with the ones that are right here. This is for the SAS case, and the way that we get those formulas, just a little bit of background on where those come from. You'll notice that all these triangles kind of look the same, but I have shifted where the angles are, like A and B is on the base in this case, C and A right there, B and C. So they're all oriented in a slightly different way. I want you to remember that the area of a triangle, in general, the formula is that. That's something that we've known for a long time, way back in geometry. You've heard that before. But what we're going to do is basically substitute some things in according to this orientation into this formula and see what comes out of it, because those are the formulas that are going to be on your property sheet. So we've got 1/2, that's always in front, base. Now in this particular case here, you'll notice that AB is our base, and that is C in this problem. So C is going to take the place of base. Now we have that H equals, we found this H by looking at the angle A in this one. You could do it differently in another perspective if you're going from B. But we found H to be, we could have done this by saying sine of A is equal to H over B. And so then we just solved for H by multiplying by B on both sides, and so that it equals this. So that's what our H is going to be in this one. And so we're going to replace H with just that entire expression, B sine A. Now this is in a slightly different order from what's on your sheet. I think they like to put it in alphabetical order, so they go B, C, sine A. But that is one version of your formula. The other two are going to be very similar. So for instance, this one, we got 1/2, and then our base in this one is little b, and then our height, again judging from this angle over here, is going to be replaced with A sine C. And so now again you can rearrange this a bit. 1/2 A B sine C is going to be another version of that formula. So eventually you'll notice here that we've got all three of them. We've got the different versions. 3 different choices. You just pick the one that works for any problem that you're finding in the area.